around here first, and then this cuddle will be like this so you can see the knife better. Okay?
There you go. Yeah, Wiebe knife, man. John's putting the Wiebe to work. Yeah, we wanted to show you this Wiebe in action. Got a nice spike here. Really nice deer. Good eating size deer. Well, that Wiebe, it don't play, does it?
Nope. Oh, hold that a minute. I forgot to put my non-swinging rope on.
There's two ways to tell that you've got a buck. One is the antlers, and second is the begonias.
Can you put begonias on TV?
We can put it on the Wiebe knife page. A begonia is a flower.
You got it.
Yeah.
And we drink Dr. Peppers.
Absolutely.
After the hunt. Donna.
What?
Good job. Everything off. Not everything, but as much as you can. Rinse your hands off. Get the blood and the hair off that.